In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi Dashboard in this beginner's tutorial. To get started, go to Kajabi and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard, and this is really the control center for your entire business. If you're new to the platform, take a moment here to get familiar with the layout. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your site, recent activity, and important metrics, so it's a useful place to check in regularly. As you look around, pay attention to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll move between the major parts of Kajabi, and understanding this menu will make everything else much easier. From here, you can access products, sales, marketing, website, people, and analytics. If you want to create or manage your courses, head into products. This is where your educational content lives. So if you're building lessons, organizing course materials, or updating an existing offer, this is the section you'll use most often. It's a good idea to keep your products organized so they're easier to manage as your business grows. Next, if you need to set up offers, payments, or subscriptions, open the sales section. This area is focused on how customers purchase from you, so it's essential for monetizing your content and making sure your checkout experience is working properly. For email campaigns and automations, go to marketing. This is where you can communicate with your audience, follow up with leads, and create automated sequences that save time. If you plan to grow your brand, this section becomes especially important. To customize your site, click on Website. Here, you can work on your pages and themes to make your brand look polished and professional. Whether you're adjusting the design or updating content, this is where those changes happen. If you need to manage your customers, members, or contacts, use the People section. This area helps you keep track of who is in your system and makes it easier to manage access and communication. Then, when you want to monitor performance, visit Analytics. This dashboard helps you understand how your business is doing by showing key data and trends. Reviewing this regularly can help you make better decisions over time. As you work through each section, remember to save any changes you make. Once you're